Go.
Vegan.
Okay. Hold on. Put the K there. And there she is on the computer. She's only 4 years old. And look, so far she has spelled her nickname. It's blurry. We'll back up. No, other way. It's now stuck. We'll figure out something. It is so stuck.
Stop it.
It is so stuck. We will find something to zoom out. Let me see something. That's it, Kenzie? That's all you gonna do? That's it. Say hi to the camera.
Now, don't want this. You say hi.
And there she is. Isn't she cute?
You stop her, Richard.
Okay. I'm still recording you. Huh?